Namaste. Hello parents. Today I am here to give you brief introduction about the Vedic Maths and about my course online and offline. I am Professor Manor Patil. So without wasting time, let me take you presentation slides. So the topic of the presentation is Ignite the Genius with Vedic Maths. This is the name of the course. These are the points I am going to cover in my today's small talk. What is the current state of maths? Then what is the need of Vedic Maths? What are the benefits of Vedic Maths and Vedic Maths curriculum? What we are going to learn in this course and the course structure and question answer session. So what is the current state of maths? So this is the cutout from the newspaper. You can see there are more findings I have highlighted here. 72% student in class 5 can't do any division and 70% of the student of 3 can't do any subtraction. That means 70 to 75% of the students are not able to do proper mathematics. And these are the findings from ASER. ASER is the annual status of education report published by one famous NGO, Pratham. They do survey throughout the India in all schools and then they publish this report. It's very authentic. Even government is also rely on this report. And these numbers are literally disturbing. As a parent, as a teacher, we should do something to improve these numbers. So this is the current report. Because of COVID, they couldn't publish the report for 4 years. This is the findings from the current report. We'll discuss the same finding with help of graphics. So you can see in this graph, there is a dip compared to the 2018. There is no improvement. And if you take average, it comes around 30% only. That means only 30% students are able to do the basic maths, basic subtraction from grade 3. What about the upper grades? We'll see that also. So these are the graphs for upper grades. If you take average, it comes around 30 to 35% only. And none of the graph has crossed 50%. So these two things should be annoying, disturbing for the parents. We should work to improve this scenario. So there is a global problem of maths. Everybody is having math phobia. 75% students are having math phobia, and because of that only we can see this graph. So as a parent, what can we do? So as a parent, we should teach Vedic maths to our children. Even our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also always encourage all the parents to teach their kids Vedic maths. We are going to hear that also in a small clip. So what is Vedic maths? Actually, Vedic maths is an ancient mathematical system through which we can able to solve any kind of complex problem very easily. That's the Vedic maths. So Vedic mathematics is the valuable tool that can help students to improve their mathematical skill, problem solving skill. They can improve concentration, memory, and confidence. So we should teach our kid Vedic maths. So we can see small clip from Modi ji. So this is the small clip from Man Ki Baat.
मैं चाहूंगा सभी माता पिता अपने बच्चों को वैदिक गणित जरूर सिखाएं। इससे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस तो बढ़ेगा ही, उनके ब्रेन की एनालिटिकल पावर भी बढ़ेगी। और हाँ, गणित को लेकर कुछ बच्चों में जो भी थोड़ा बहुत डर होता है, वो डर भी पूरी तरह समाप्त हो जाएगा। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, मन की बात में
This is the
आज
small part from
म्यूजिक
Man
से
Ki Baat. And all these videos are available on Man Ki Baat website and on YouTube also. So this is not only Narendra Modi ji, but even state government is also taking initiative to promote Vedic maths because Vedic maths is very valuable. Delhi government is already introduced Vedic maths in their school. Haryana government is also introducing from the next year. Gujarat government is also trying to introduce. Not only that, even University Grant Commission is also trying to create a Vedic mathematics syllabus, Vedic mathematics course at university level to attract the international learners. See, that means there is enough awareness in the market And as a parent, we should also teach our kid Vedic maths. Why I am showing you this is, we are not doing anything extra, anything out of the box. It is supplementary education for their academics, and it will help their improve their mathematical skill, improve their brain development, and all overall understanding of the maths and other subjects also. Let me tell you briefly. Actually, I am Professor Manohar Patel. I came from very small village in Kolhapur district of Maharashtra. My mother is a housewife. My father is a retired government teacher. That's how I also develop a love for the teaching. This is the photo from my SSC, that is 10th class. Then I did my graduation in aeronautical engineering and then masters from IIT Kharagpur. That's how I became a IITian. After completion of my post graduation, I did a job in educational institute only. So my first job was in Amrita Vishwavidyapitam, and then I came back to Maharashtra. I did a job in RIT Sangli as an assistant professor. While doing job there, I thought to do my PhD. So I applied for PhD and I got admission in IIT Bombay. While doing IIT, actually, I was going through my personal problem. Because of that, I could not able to finish my PhD. So I'm a dropout student of IIT Bombay, but alumni of IIT Kharagpur. But during that tough time, I decided to go with my true calling and create an impact in the society. That's why I joined one NGO, that is Siddhagiri Gurukulam, Kolhapur. It's a Indian-based education institute. There I was appointed as a Pradhan Acharya, that is head of the institute. These are some photos. So I was doing great there. There only I came to know about the Vedic maths and the profound effect Vedic maths have on students' mind. But only one thing was there in my mind is, if this is amazing, if this is so powerful, then why it is not available for the all student? Why it is available only for the short amount of student or only limited student? That time I was not having any answer to that, but I was always thinking how can I make it available to maximum. With that thought, actually, because of some reason, I couldn't stay there for a long time. I came back to Pune and I became an assistant professor at MIT Edit University. But that thought was always there in my mind. How can I make it available, this amazing knowledge of Vedic maths, to the maximum student? Then eventually, I thought to drop my job and to dedicate wholeheartedly, full time to the Vedic maths only, promotion and spread of the Vedic maths. That's how I founded one company, Vedic Pathshala. These are some pics from MIT Edit University. These are my colleagues of aerospace branch. I was doing great, but for the higher good, for a higher cause, I left the job. And currently, I am working on my mission. My mission is to impart the knowledge of Vedic mathematics to 1 million students to improve their performance in maths and other subjects. So, how I am doing this? Online as well as offline. So, let's discuss something about Vedic maths. Vedic maths, already I have told you, Vedic mathematics is the ancient system of mathematics through which we can able to solve all kinds of complex problems within a second, just like that. So it based upon the some sutras and sub sutras, and the actual meaning of Veda is knowledge, and it's Sanskrit word. So where does it come from? So it came from the Atharva Veda. There are 4 Vedas, out of which this amazing knowledge came from Atharva Veda. Now the next question is, who discovered this amazing knowledge, right? So let me tell you, His Holiness Jagadguru Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji has discovered this amazing knowledge, and he put all this knowledge in the form of book published in 1965. The name of the book is Vedic Mathematics. It comprises 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, and based on these sutras, you can able to solve all kinds of examples. Everything okay? It's Indian origin. We should be proud. We have given this gift to the world, but is it applicable for today's generation? What are the benefits? So let's discuss about the benefits. The first benefit is speed of calculation increases because we are not doing all the steps. In one step itself, we are getting answer. The next one is it improves focus, visualization, memory, and concentration. As a parent, if you ask anyone, 90% parents are complaining the only one thing. My kid is not able to concentrate. His span of attention is very small. He is not able to recall the things in the exam. What is the solution? They also don't know. Solution can be the Vedic mathematics, because it is proven that with the help of Vedic mathematics, student will improve their focus, concentration, and memory power. The next one is it improves problem solving abilities. Vedic mathematics will give you the perspective to look at the problem from the different angles. Because to solve any particular problem in conventional maths, we know only one method. But in Vedic maths, you can solve the same problem with 4 or 5 different methods. So student will have the choice to apply any one of them. Same principle, same logic they can apply for the daily life, and that's how they will improve their problem solving abilities. The next benefit is it ends math phobia. I have showed you the statistics. More than 70 to 75% students are having math phobia. With the help of Vedic mathematics, they can get rid of math phobia. That is the biggest advantage of Vedic maths, because they don't feel they are doing mathematics. They feel that they are doing some fun activity. They are solving some riddles. This is very simple. Enhances intuition skills. Vedic mathematics will give you better performance in academics as well as in competitive exams, because if Vedic mathematics will help you to improve their focus, concentration, definitely they will show improvement not only in maths but in all other subjects as well. And in competitive exams, now if you go everywhere, you will find competitive exam for all kinds of admissions. For 11th admissions, for engineering, for medical, for MBA, everywhere competitive exams is there. In competitive exam, you need speed with accuracy. In conventional maths can't give you speed with accuracy. Only Vedic maths can give you speed with accuracy. Even I have some proofs for that also. It improves logical thinking and critical thinking ability. It develops the work function of right brain. There are two parts of the brain, left brain and right brain. Left brain is responsible for the analytical analysis, data-based thinking, languages. But the right brain is responsible for all kinds of art, all kinds of intuitive skills, and all kinds of creativity comes from the right brain. And our regular maths won't help us to improve our right brain. Only Vedic maths will help us to develop our right brain. And it has proven in the research. It is act as a confidence booster. Okay. So I will show you some proofs also. So these are the cutouts from the papers published in national and international journals. So this paper is published in International Journal of Yoga in 2017, and you can see the headings. By the way, all these papers are available on Google. You can just download and you can read all the papers. So Vedic mathematics will show you positive effects and increasing mindfulness in considered, right? This paper is very interesting. These researchers has made two groups. For one group, they have exposed only regular maths. For another group, they have exposed only Vedic maths. And these are not group from random people. They are group from the class 9 student of CBSE. And see the results. See the achievement. The achievement of the students taught through Vedic mathematics was found to be higher than those taught through conventional mathematics. Amazing, right? So this paper are available on Google. You can just search. There are number of papers. Everyone is saying that Vedic mathematics will help students to improve their grades, to improve their mathematical ability, to improve their problem solving ability, and all others ability also. You can see those papers. There are number of papers. I will just show you. You can just take the screenshot and you can search also. So every paper says that it helps. This is the cutout from news paper. Actually, cat topper says that Vedic mathematics will help him. Vedic mathematics helped him to get this kind of percentile, 99.99 percentile. Is the topper. One more success story, one more topper says that Vedic mathematics helped her as well. That means it helps in competitive exams. So if your kid is preparing for Olympiad exam or any other competitive exams at school level also, Vedic maths will help them a lot. Okay. So what are the topics I'm going to cover in my course? The whole syllabus is divided into 5 levels, and these are the topics I'm going to cover: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When we talk about maths, there are 4 major pillars we should be master of, and those pillars are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All the other things will come as a byproduct, as a application of these 4 operations only. That means student must be very thorough with all these 4 operations. So I'm putting more stress, more time on these 4 operations, 4 topics, and then apart from that, I'm going to cover squares, square roots, cube roots, percentage, series addition, average, HCF, LCM, factorization, linear equation, simultaneous equation, mixed fraction, and all these things. There are a few more topics also. If you compare the syllabus, whatever I'm going to cover is the syllabus up to 9th and up to 10th grade student. Right? Now, let's see the structure of the course. There will be 2 classes per week. Whole syllabus is divided into 5 levels for the convenience. You can see the books, 5 levels practice books, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. Total all these 5 books is covering more than 7,500 problems. If students solve all these problems, then only whatever I am teaching, whatever the techniques are, they will come into the muscle memory of the student. So practice is very important. That's why I personally have designed all these books. And in book number 1 and book 2, you will find some puzzles also. See, on every right hand page, there is one puzzle, and on left hand page, there are problems. You can see. So this is only for level 1 and level 2, just to increase the interest and engagement of the student. So different puzzles are there. So more than 7,500 problems are there. Okay. So I will take unit test after each level just to check their understanding and check their status. Okay. So how many total techniques are there? So around more than 108 techniques are there, spread over 5 levels. Final exams will be also there after completion of course. Now next question is how much time it will take. So it may vary depend upon the grasping capacity of the student and how they practice. But on an average, it will take 10 to 12 months. 10 to 12 months. If the student is very active, he's all the homeworks at proper time, and his grasping capacity is also good, then definitely he can finish that course in 9 months or 10 months also. But if they are average, it will take few extra classes and it will take little more time to finish. So you can take an average 10 months. Okay, you can consider 10 months duration will be there. Okay. So these are the 5 books I have already shown you. Now come about the fees. So the tuition fee will be 2,500 per month. Registration fee will be 1,000 and books are at 400 per level. So there are 5 books, so it comes around 2000 rupees. Registration charges will be there for conducting exam and giving you certificate, right? And tuition fee will be this much. This is the normal fee, but let me tell you, as a summer sale, you can say, I'm giving you offer, and the course fee will be only 1500 rupees per month, and you are getting books absolutely free. So I'm going to give all these books free of cost once you register, but only registration charges will be there, 1000 rupees. That is one time payment. This is I'm taking just to conduct exams and giving you certificate. So after every level, you will get the certificate, and that certificate is not physical. That is, you can say, soft copy of the certificate. But at the end of the course, after finishing the exam, you will get the physical certificate, and 1500 rupees per month. Okay, so I'm available on my phone. This phone number is this much, and I'm available on WhatsApp on this number. On second number, I don't take phones, but first number is available. Let me show you. So my number is 751758909, and second number is for WhatsApp. You can contact me through my mail ID also, and on my website also. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt, reach me out, and I will clear all your doubts. And I'm going to start my next batch very soon. So please enroll your kid and make the best use of this summer vacation in productive way. Right? So thank you so much for your kind attention. Namaste.